Hello guys, I'm going to show you this and see if this will work or not. I used it before already. Anyway, you've got 3, I got the last one, and that's what the kettles look like inside. So I'm going to say in half, for the half of the kettle of water are going to be put less than half. This, pour in, and turn it on. Well, that's how I'm doing it. And let it warm up and leave it for 10 minutes. So see what happens after that. Okay, it's done. But first thing first. I meant to, well, I didn't read the instruction, but the instruction said you meant to boil the water, then slowly you put the liquid in. But fortunately I done it the other way around because I didn't read the instruction. Why I did just like put basically cold water and put that liquid in, put both together. Well, as you can see, I think it did a good job. Yeah, I think it did really good. You weren't going to be seeing on the cameras, but it was. I think it did. I think it did a good job. So yeah.